Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. Today I'll show you 4 methods that you can use to take a screenshot in your phone. Now for the first method, just swipe down. If you cannot find any screenshot option on the control panel, just tap on this pencil icon or edit icon. Then tap on edit, and from here you can add screenshot option to your control panel. Here you can see screenshot. Just touch and hold it and drop it to here. Then tap on done, then tap on done again, and then go back. Now if I swipe down, then just tap on screenshot option, and you can see that will take a screenshot. So just tap here to open it, and it's done. Now for the second method, just go back. For the second method, you have to use your volume down key and power key. You have to just press your volume down key and power key at the same time. So just do it. And that's it. You can see it's take a screenshot. If I do it once again, just press volume down key and power key, and it's done. Now for the third method, just open up your settings app, then scroll all the way down, then go to accessibility and open up interaction and dexterity settings. Then go to assistant menu, just enable assistant menu option from here, and you can see it's showing. Now just tap on select assistant menu items, and at the bottom you can see screenshots option. Just tap on this plus icon to add a screenshot here, then touch and hold it and drop it to the first, and then go back again and close your settings app. Now if I tap here and then tap on screenshot, and you can see it's take a screenshot. From the assistant menu you can also take a screenshot. Now for the fourth method, you have to just swipe your hand from left to right side. Just do it, and you can see it's take a screenshot. If I do it once again, and that's it. Now I'll show you how to take a long screenshot. Just open up any long page. If I open Chrome browser, at first take a normal screenshot. Then you have to touch and hold on the arrow icon. You can see that will start taking a long screenshot. So just release your finger, and it's done. Now just open up your gallery, and that's it. You can see long screenshot has been taken successfully. And that is how you can take a screenshot in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.